Hey, what's up? I'm Mike. I'm here to review the Helio camping light made by Flextail Gear. This is their second product on the market. It's a camping light that has a few different uses. Its best use is the amount of time you can actually use the light for, and in comparison to other camping lights, it's really small and it gives about the same amount of lumens that another camping light would give. So let's check it out. This isn't going to be some fancy unboxing video, so let's just take a look at what we got. We have the light, we have the carabiner, we have the USB charging cable, and we have a handy dandy little instruction booklet here. Alright? It's actually pretty good. So, let's get to the light. Tap once, and we have our nice little light. 200 lumens, rated for about 10 hours of use. Let me turn off the light, maybe you can get a closer look there. Alright. So, 200 lumens for about 10 hours. Now, I did a review, or I did a test with this, and I did a time lapse. It was about 9.5 hours that it worked for. Maybe that's because I didn't charge it too long. When you do charge this battery, there is a red indicator LED light for when it's charging, and a green LED indicator light for when it's fully charged. It was still red when I took it off, so that could be the possibility of why it didn't stay on for 10 hours. It does have a second brightness function. When you're using the internal battery, you can hold down the button for 3 seconds and get a super bright mode. Now, this will last for about 10 to 20 seconds, and then it will slowly dim back to its normal 200 lumen brightness. It does come with this LED charging cable that you can use to charge it, and we'll show you what that's like when we plug it in. So when we open it, the device shuts off. We have a micro USB port here for charging, and we have a normal USB port here for using the light with a spare backup battery. So, we plug in our charging cable. You can see now that the device is charging. Now, when that is fully charged, it will be green. Alright? Now, if we plug in our other USB port to the backup battery, we will get 3 modes of brightness as well as an SOS. So tap once and we're at max brightness. Tap again, medium brightness, and the low setting. Now tap for the 4th time. Now this is our SOS. We can't use this mode, unfortunately, on the battery supplied with the unit. It's something that they might do in their next revision. But for now, this mode is a little bit too bright and strains too much on the battery, and you wouldn't be able to get that 10 hours worth of use that a normal camping lantern might have. So that about wraps it up for the features of the light itself. Now, we still have the hook here that we can use with the carabiner to put on anything like a backpack, your belt buckle, or the tent itself. Now, maybe you can use this when you're walking down a dark road or just hiking through the woods, and everybody can keep track of each other and each other's lights. It's a nice little convenient hook. It also features a magnet, which I'll show you here in a second. So that's also convenient. You can use this on your car, maybe on some part of your tent if you happen to have some piece of metal on your tent or during the campsite. It's a fairly strong magnet, but I wouldn't say it's like earth magnet strong, but it's pretty good. And that pretty much wraps up the features, I think, about the light itself. Now, if you want to get this, you can purchase it through the Kickstarter page, or maybe even on Flextail Gear's website if they have it. So yeah, thanks for checking out my product review, and we'll see you back here soon. Take it easy.